That's hot. The water's 22.1 degrees C. That is the temperature of the water in the bucket. So that's our source, 22 degrees C. I'm gonna turn this pump on real slow, cover it with my thumb. All right. 24, 25, 32. That's hot. I cannot. I could not hold that anymore. That was 55, 56, 57. I'm sure there's more water in there. Let me get a bigger vessel. The heater is turned off. It reached its end point of 35 degrees C for the room, so it has stopped. I've pulled, that is 34 degrees C. That is 2 liters at, well, it ended up being 53 degrees C. That's hot.